Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4, and on this Toyota Rav4 we're going to reinstall, or we're going to put a new headlight assembly on. We removed it, and so we're going to put the new one back on. So to start with, we'll hook up the electrics. We got one electric clip right here. It goes in for some LED stuff, and then we've got the this is for the blinker light, and then we've got these that they're just retainers that hold the electric there, and then we've got the one for the headlight itself, and then the one for the blinker light. So once you've connected all those, you can now, well, you can either connect them now or you connect them when it's inside, however you would like to do it. Now we're just gonna slide it in here. So there's a tab here. There's this tab here. You want it to be on top of this piece of metal, and that way it slides in where it's supposed to go. And then we have this lip tab up here to pop in over the little white plastic. There we go. Slipped in over there, there, and there. And so then we've got the 4 bolts to put back in that hold this in place. So there's one there, one right down in here, and these are the black ones that are a really coarse thread because they go into it's a plastic grommet piece like this. This is the type, and then the last one goes right here into the side, and that one's going to be, it's gray, and it's a fine and it's all tightened into place and all been reinstalled. And so that's how you install your front headlight assembly on your 2018 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.